is going on, guys? It's your boy AK Will Curling coming at you live with another banging video here today. And oh man, December 27th. I'm looking forward to January, let me be honest. This is week 3, concert number 3 in a row, and I'm kind of done with this, man. It's fun drinking with your buddies every once in a while, but 3 weeks in a row, not good. Christmas has been rough. Well, December's been rough. Christmas is good, but all the money spent, gifts, had to pay insurance, normal house bills, had to fix my car for 600 bucks, get the starter motor fixed. No, I'm just complaining, it's not that bad. But I am looking forward to January and getting back to the grind. I miss paintball. I miss seeing myself improve at things instead of just getting through the week, drink, repeat. Anyways, hope you get some good clips. Enjoy the video. See you soon. All right, I changed my mind. I'm hyped to have fun and party now. We got the #1 Mexican on the street.
Hi guys, on this content.
All right, hop in. We're taking him across the border. Let's go. The horniest man alive.
Look at that!
What's up guys, welcome back to my video, and today we're going into the Bentley Hotel's room 110. Yes.
Don't tell me
What's going on?
Hey.
Whoa! Okay, get something.
Take him upstairs. Take him upstairs.
Hey.
All right, we're going upstairs. Whoa! No one left your watch all night.
What?
We're
Go
upstairs.
back to my place and roll another blunt.
Hey, shitty, let's get drunk. All right, time for a piss.
Time to pee, POV edition. You know what the fuck going on? Derrick Henry hat-trick in the first fucking half. Let's fucking go.
Hey, shit ain't over. Shit ain't over. Go Green Bay. Go New York, baby.
It's over. It's over. Now we're here to see Small Town Strip Club.
Small Town Strip Club.
Small Town Strip Club! Yeah!
Going to that place.
Derrick, we got 4 touchdowns.
No fucking way.
That's crazy.
Drewski, how many?
4.
Fuck. Not yet. Have they earned your shit yet? Hey guys.
DCBS!
What does that stand for?
Trying to say the Pussy Slayers.
So that's what happened. I'm here with Uncle Joe. 10-second interview. What do you gotta say?
my god. Matt Boldy, man. Matt Boldy. This guy gets a goal every fucking game. If you're gonna bet on hockey, bet on Matt Boldy. He gets a goal from his goal every fucking game. And they still put his shit at plus like 200. I'm telling you guys, it's for you. It's not even for them. It's for you guys. Matt Boldy. Take us over.
Matthew, he thinks he's Santa Claus giving back to the homeless.
Odyssey, it's
Matthew.
What are we running?
Bellies.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are on Day in the Life with AK-17, aka Willa Crony. We got George over here. He loves Shrek fans. What? On a scale from
Not a big problem, nice problem.
What's going on, everyone? We just finished dropping these guys off. Don't get me wrong, December's been fun, it's been awesome, I love going to concerts, but I'm excited to get back to a structured, disciplined life. Instead of getting rewards and dopamine rush from partying or slamming back beers, it's gonna be, gonna hit the cardio extra 5 minutes or do a couple extra push-ups to get that same rush. December, you've been good, but I'm excited for a fresh start.
I don't have anything to say. Come here, guys. Come on.
Yeah, you fucking shit up, bro. Look, I got it. $2,000 in his trunk from Christmas. You built a little box for it?
Yeah, I built a little box for it. They love it. That's their apartment. That's their apartment.
Dude,
Got the single floor.
Is there a second? Is there a second floor?
The hammock. Yeah, they got
How much is rent? Are you serious?
Rent is free for this.
There's
Look
two
how good they
floors.
look. That shit's free.
They don't know how good they are. Oh. Who's biting him? Guys, no. Don't do this. This is not you. This isn't the Gus I remember. You used to be the sweetest kid, and you turned so serious.
The defense, eyes are on the back, eyes are in the backfield, and the speed of Willis. Van Noy goes with the fake, and he's just too quick getting to the edge. Nate Wiggins kind of got frozen out there. Watch number 2 Wiggins. He doesn't even get blocked, but his eyes are drifting inside, and he can't.
How do we get down when we're not home? Yeah, there's a little island nation all by itself in the middle of the Pacific Ocean.
No,